Hello friends, if you are trying to download CIBC mobile banking app and you could not download it because there is a error of just like that your device is not compatible with this version. So what's the reason behind this error and how can you solve it? So friends, that message often seen you are trying to download an app like on Google Play Store, mean the software or hardware requirement for the app or program are not met by your device. Okay, so how can you fix it? And there are some method by which you can download which you can download it. So go to your setting on your phone, go to the apps on app manager, find the Google Play Store, tap on store and cache, tap clear cache and then clear storage. This will be reset the Google Play Store, but you will not delete your app or personal data. So restart your phone and try and download the app again. If this method would not work would not work to download the app, so you need to replace your device with the latest feature. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.